Okay, hi guys. Summer is on the way, so try to make your designs cool and refreshing. Anyways, let's start from your favorite part, colors. Well, for the colors of our character Earthman, well, it's the earth color, water and sky blue color. But it's just his favorite sheep jacket. He's not all sheep, he's human with sheep shaped coat. And the blue one is just his favorite one. Okay, for the other colors, well, I've chose the colors with color tools I found on the internet. For my case, first I've chose one color, this blue, and then found the others that match the one I chose with this website. Let me um, let me get the color code, hex code. Oh God. Okay, here it is. Copy, and this website I copy and pasted the color, and it will show you the similar colors that goes well with this color. Yeah, like this pink and other yellow and green, etc. There are many other websites to choose, but I mostly use this website. Also, you can get the from the color lessons you already know about it. You can get the colors from Pinterest and Instagram and Adobe Color, color.adobe.com. Let me show you color combination like this, as you know, and also this one. You can explore again. Earth. I mostly get blue, I think. Blue and brown, yeah. Okay. And now, well, the website gives me the colors with a similar level of saturation and brightness. Okay, now the Adobe Illustrator that I'm working on. Adobe Illustrator, you work with vector objects. Vector meaning even when you zoom in on the line or shape you've drawn, it won't show the square pixels. The lines and shapes are created with a mathematical formula. That's why professional designers use Illustrator to draw logo designs mostly, not Photoshop. I mean, you can't draw a logo on Photoshop. Photoshop is used to edit real photos taken by a camera. Photoshop is not for designing logos. Keep that in mind. Many people make mistakes. Okay. For after the color, next would be balance we've learned. Well, I think I got the balance with a symmetry for the most part of the design. As you can see, if you divide the design in half vertically, it is almost identical. Vertically meaning like this. If you divide it like this on this line, it's identical on both sides, and that is the symmetry. The balance is achieved with a symmetrical design. Okay, for the contrast, well, color is contrasted with a blue and pinkish color here, blue and pink, and well, blue and white and dark blue. What are the colors? I will explain the. Oh, and for the hierarchy, I think hierarchy meaning the saccade, the eye movement, right? I wanted the people to see my main character first. So most people see my design in this order. Maybe the first thing you will see, would be the character first, right? And next you might read this bright colored speech bubbles, and you might see this later, and the logo, and next the menu. And you might go scroll down. As you scroll down, you might get to see the Instagram and Facebook links and others in this order, and this one, okay, and these, right? Okay, I think this would work as I have expected. Am I right? Did you see in this order as I explained? Okay. I will explain the rest of the theoretical parts. Now I've recorded my process of this first draft of my web design illustration, and changed the speed of the video so that I can show and explain quickly, to point out important things. Where is my video? Okay, I sped it up. Now first I'm unlocking everything to work on it, and copy and pasted the text box so that I can put other menus. As I was doing it, I thought about the names. Oh, and I opened up the other character websites that I want to get ideas from, get the similar. So I looked at the menu bar and tried to make it same with the Moomin website. And I thought Papai's website's menu bars are much more clean. Now adjusting the alignment with alignment tool, I think. Now putting the background back and deleting the grid, because I thought I can adjust the alignments later after I've done everything. So I deleted the pink grids. I gave the logo a little bit of shadow and tried different versions of being to put the logos. Well, as you can see, I thought putting Dulguundusal is bad idea. Oh, and that I'm adjusting the alignment with that tool. You can see on the upper part of the design here. For the user experience part, I put right now the website is all in English, so if you are in English mode, the English ENG is with a background. That means people will think, oh, I'm on English version of the website. So I deleted everything, the sketch, because I wanted to see it clearly, since I have the sketch right beside me. Now as I said previously, I've already designed the book, so I have the file open in here beside it. Now I'm copying the Earthman here on the middle. You know, I've spent like 2 hours on this video. I mean, on this work in one sitting, and because I've already designed the background, these cloud patterns and Earthman and everything, I've already chosen this font. That's why it wasn't really much time to do it. I mean, it doesn't take really a lot of time. For your cases, you didn't choose your fonts and other detailed parts, so it might take a lot of time. You have to start now. Okay. I'm checking the spelling. Should I put the or no the? So no the. I am Earthman. It's a process, so I am thinking in a slow way that what to write on this. A speech bubble. So if you write lots of text, people won't read. So I chose just 2 words. I mean, not 2 words, 5 words. Oh, and I'm googling now how to make an earth in a simplest way. And I tried copy and pasting the earth I've already drawn in the book, and I thought it wasn't really good, so I'm going to delete it. Not now. Pinterest is the most good website, the best website to take ideas and take other illustrations, get ideas. So I've brought waste and pollution and started to deleted the previous earth, and I got ideas from this one, and I'm trying to make similar one in my style. And this pathfinder, are you seeing the cursor? Oh my god. Wait. Oh, the pathfinder tool. If you're starting on the Illustrator, try to Google and find other tutorials on Pathfinder tool here. It is really good when you are designing logos and other illustrations. So Earth is almost done. This Pathfinder. I hope you're seeing it. Okay. So I've drawn the Earth with my style. I mean, the Earthman style. Okay, you can listen to a music. I mean, while watching this video, because I'm not explaining much. You can just see from the process of I am showing you right now. Oh, and I brought the clouds from my book illustration. Oh, and you know, when you are drawing your websites or apps, you can on Illustrator you can write some notes to yourselves, because you can, when you have idea you have to write it down, because you will forget it a few minutes later and regret. So here's the waste and pollution standing on the cloud. I'm working on text boxes and thinking of what to write. Villain, what will villains do? So I'm googling to give get ideas, what to write, how to write. Have to introduce the main characters, the villain and the superhero. Like that. So I think I've decided to write I am waste, I am pollution. Just like that. Less is more, guys. Less is more. Adjusting the alignment. Okay. So I'm putting shadows on the menu links. And now next part. Also getting ideas from the good websites. And I brought a paper pattern. Paper texture. Oh, and from the Google, you can change the settings. Okay. When you're searching, so that you can get high definition, high resolution photos that you can put in your websites. So I have to write superpowers. I guess people use it without space between super and power. Like that. So since I have a full earth on this here, I try to avoid deleting the bottom part of the earth. So I've put the other superpower boxes avoiding the earth, like these way. So I'm opening up my other web illustration that I was working on, and brought the Instagram and Facebook logos that I already drawn, and changed the color and put it. And now I thought where to put, because these speech bubbles were taking so much space. So I looked at other websites where did they put the social media links, and I stuck to the bottom. Oh, I brought the previous book illustration. I brought some items, the already drawn illustrations and put them back. Okay, I guess. Oh, I'm saving because if you don't save, you will cry. Okay. Now I brought other. So you get it right without my explanation. Like that. Window shopper. Keeper of light. These alignment tools. You will use it. People should use it because it's easier to work on. It saves time. What am I doing? Okay. Also saving again. Now supporters superheroes. Superhero badges. So you might have seen this post I posted on Earthman page about the Earthman supporters. Copy and pasted the title of the next page for the next page. Okay, like that. Moved. Okay, like that. Put the cloud. Okay, that was the first part of the. Oh, I'm measuring the spacing. Tried putting a background and it wasn't good. Changing the color. Okay. And that is done for the first part of the design. And you have to save it. Oh my god. Okay. Now, I think that is for today. I will explain the rest next class. Oh, for the homework, you have to finish your first part of the the homepage. The first thing people will see on your design, this part for your designs on Illustrator or any other design programs you've chosen to learn. Okay. Okay, bye bye.